This is my brand new Cocoweb 22-inch piano light. I can toggle it on and off with a quick flip of the switch. Now just behind the light, I can adjust the dimmer for however bright I would like it to be. Here, it's also easily unplugged in case a piano tuner needs to access the piano. Now there are two screws right here. I took them both off so that I can fully adjust how the light should be aimed at the sheet music. Like I said, all it takes is a little screwdriver to take those screws out, and then you can just adjust for whichever or how tall the sheet music is. The lamp is equipped with a soft cushion to clamp to the music shelf, holding it firmly into place. This way it doesn't damage any of the polyester or the music shelf itself. Once you position the cushioned lamp to your music shelf, you won't have to reposition anything. It'll stay there as a semi-permanent structure for your piano playing enjoyment. The LED array can light up between 3 to 4 pieces of sheet music at once. It really depends on the size of the music shelf more so than the lights to determine how many pieces of piano sheet music you can see at a given time. Typically, this piano lamp is specific for grand pianos, but since my music shelf can hold this lamp, I use it. Like I said, if a piano tuner needs to remove the lamp, they can just unplug it and take the music shelf off without having to reposition anything when you get back to piano playing. This piano lamp can generate enough heat to disturb the piano tuning. However, if you keep your humidity and temperature of the room under control, then this shouldn't be a big concern. One of the main reasons that I like piano lamps so much is because it really makes the piano a focal point of focus and concentration for when you're trying to learn a piece. It'll help you eliminate distractions and give you more concentration when you're really trying to learn the piano. As a kid, underneath this lamp, the piano became a destination for piano players. This particular lamp, again, is tailored to grand pianos because they have the music shelf to support it. The right piano lamp is essential for sustained practice for any piano player. The subtle, warm white light of the piano lamp is a nice touch and a feeling I've grown to appreciate over a lifetime of use. This piano lamp can be found on Amazon for just $188. When I ordered it, it had arrived in a few days.